In this video we share with you how reinforcement learning solutions can enhance your operational capabilities. In today's fast-changing business world, companies can drown in the complexity of the decisions they need to make, leading to inefficiencies and resource allocation challenges. Reinforcement learning tackles all those problems, addressing pain points in energy consumption, logistics, and manufacturing. Our reinforcement learning solutions streamline decision-making in dynamic industries by analyzing vast amounts of data and simplifying resource allocation. By tailoring solutions to individual needs, overall efficiency can be enhanced. Additionally, prioritizing environmental responsibility, such as optimizing energy consumption, not only meets corporate social responsibility or CSR goals, but also contributes to cost savings. Moreover, in the field of robotics, bridging the sim-to-real gap is essential for effective training of agents in real-world scenarios, ensuring practical applicability and success in deployment. Our team of AI experts has a wide range of skills, from computer science to engineering, physics, and math. This diverse expertise allows us to offer innovative, flexible, and effective solutions for your challenges. No matter your industry, we focus on closing the gap between simulation and reality for better real-world results. Plus, our AI solutions are aligned with trustworthy AI guidelines. But what exactly is reinforcement learning? In the world of AI, reinforcement learning is a branch of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment. By receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, the agent learns and adjusts its behavior over time to maximize a cumulative reward. You want to boost your business with the help of reinforcement learning? Then reach out to us today.